In this video, I show you how to fix Next Droppers app not working problem. Oops, data not found retry problem. For fixing this problem, go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search for Next Dropper. Click on Next Droppers, click on force stop, click on OK. Now click on storage and cache. Clear the storage, then delete. Now go to Play Store. Now search Next Droppers. Update your Next Dropper app from Play Store if available in update. Now open Next Droppers. Then enter your mobile number, then continue. Now I hope that this method fixes your problem. If this method not working, try to web version of Next Droppers. You can log in here and use from here until they fix this problem. Now I hope that this method fixes your problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.